In Greek, IOTA stands for imagination. IOTA International was imagined and established in the year 1996 by a qualified engineer Mahesh Mahavar, only to become a pioneer in acoustic and signaling products. IOTA has its plants located in Delhi, Nagpur and IMT Rohtak. Today, ISO 9001-2015 certified company IOTA is a quality symbol in acoustic and signaling product industry, and everyone at IOTA works hard to maintain this status. IOTA manufactures a wide range of products. These include sirens for automobiles, home and industrial security systems. IOTA produces special sirens for fire alarm systems, siren for automobile, off-road vehicles, construction companies, coal mines, metro rails, railways and other applications. Products are available in 6 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt, 24 volt and some products in 220 volt also. IOTA has a strong base of qualified engineers. Its team is well aware of international quality standards. Manufacturing, testing and overall process supervision ensures a high quality product. Hundreds of manufacturers from around the world buy products from IOTA and they never have had any reason to complain. It has globally renowned and satisfied clients. IOTA has a strong commitment to provide its customers quality products, great prices, superior service, reliable and prompt delivery, along with wide product range and turnkey solutions as per customers' requirement. And that is why it has invested in state-of-the-art facilities like automatic injection molding, power press, ultrasonic plastic welding, wire processing, microchip bonding machine, Juki JX350 and JM100, SMT and throw hole mounting, speaker manufacturing unit, electronic assembly unit and separate R&D department. Its panic button line assembly are worth a mention. Equipments at IOTA are calibrated by ERTL. All products include the best acoustic technology with optimized static dynamic and mechanical structure. As per customers' requirement, products are approved from ARAI also. It is a pursuit of quality that has prompted IOTA to implement Total Productivity Manufacturing Systems or TPM. It is a tool that helps all employees at IOTA to achieve effective utilization of all resources. IOTA has also initiated supply chain management to bring the company and customers as one virtual enterprise. Synergy that gives the customer not just a better product, but products that are cost effective. Expanding its wings in the fields of research, IOTA has launched BLDC motor designing in collaboration with Hitachi, Japan. This also proves IOTA's strong presence in international market. Certificates, awards and accolades are a true testimony to their commitment and quality. IOTA's strength truly lies in its people. They are the backbones of the company that believes in hard work and dedication. Today, the company draws its people from engineering, marketing and research and development backgrounds. It always focuses on customers' demand for design and specifications to meet their requirements. With a strong and visionary leader, IOTA is poised to become the number one company in its domain. IOTA's aim: achieve leadership through high quality products and customer satisfaction.